Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be showing you how to update the firmware in your GoPro Hero 13 Black. This will ensure that your GoPro is running as intended with all the latest features. It's really quite simple to do with the GoPro Quik App, which you can download for free from your app store. So let's go ahead and dive right into updating the firmware on your GoPro Hero 13 Black. So I quickly want to mention, if you're interested in any of my favorite GoPro accessories, they're all linked below in the description. But let's dive into updating this. Now, first off, I want to mention, if you haven't downloaded the GoPro Quik App already, you can do that for free from your app store. It's available for both Android and Apple. I'm using an Android device today, but the process should be pretty much similar if you're using an Apple device. We'll go ahead and open up that Quik App. And it's going to look something like this when you've got it open. Now, if you haven't connected your GoPro before, it's going to want to connect to GoPro. And to do that, we can make sure GoPro is selected here in the bottom right-hand corner. It may say connect to GoPro here. If you're not seeing that, there's a little plus sign with a GoPro up here in the corner. You can tap on that and it'll start searching for your GoPro camera. Now let's go ahead and turn on our GoPro. So I'll hold down that button for a second there. It'll turn on. And we need to get our GoPro into pairing mode. So the way to do that, we're going to swipe down from the top, and then we're going to swipe from right to left. And you should see pair device right here. There's a little plus sign. Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to put our GoPro into pairing mode. And then on our phone here, we're going to tap on our camera. So Hero 13 Black, and it's going to say connect. And because we're in pairing mode here, it knows that it's showing us to do that. We'll just go ahead and hit connect. And it's going to search for your camera, and it found it right away. So we found your camera. We'll just hit connect here. It's connecting. It says Quik App over here. And connected. We can change the name if we like. I'm going to leave mine as Hero 13 Black. And it did find that there is an update available. So if it doesn't do that, we'll show you how to find it manually. So you could hit continue here to update the firmware. I'm just going to hit later, which will take us into the app. Actually, it wants to scan for my Wi-Fi. I'll do that later. Your Hero 13 Black is ready. So right here, again, it knows our camera. It says install update. I could hit not now. I'll show you again how to find it manually. So right here at the top, you'll see Hero 13 Black. There's 3 little dots up here. If we tap on that, it'll give us some more information. And right here, it says update available. So we'll go ahead and tap on that. It says, let's install your update. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Leave your camera on and don't leave the Quik App until the update is complete. So make sure you don't touch anything or exit the apps or turn off your camera. We'll go ahead and hit continue. It's going to tell us what the update includes, so bug fixes and performance improvements. We'll go ahead and hit update camera. It says connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. Your phone may ask for permission to access your GoPro. So we'll just leave this for a few seconds. It's going to give us the legal disclaimer, so you can read through that. And then hit accept and continue. Transferring the update to your camera. And over here it says downloading update. Again, it says be sure to leave the camera on and don't leave the app. Your GoPro will power off and on a few times. And the transfer is at 100%. And now it says updating here, installing update. The GoPro is restarting, update complete, and we're reconnecting to the Hero 13 Black. It's restarting again. Looks like it's complete over here. And it says all set. Your camera software was now updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. We can hit OK. And again, it's back into the app here. Your GoPro Hero 13 Black is ready. And that took about 3 or 4 minutes to complete. And honestly, it's really that simple to update the firmware here on your GoPro Hero 13 Black. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you update the firmware in your GoPro Hero 13 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.